All right, if you can see behind us, we're about ready to hike up this hill.
200 feet vertically.
Vertically, not horizontally.
Up the hill to catch a cable car.
So, I'm not sure what a cable car is, but we're about to find out.
Okay, so we're on our second flight of stairs here. We ascended the first flight from down there, and you can see how steep the grade is here. We got one more flight to go, and we'll have climbed 200 feet.